Frequently asked question by parents and public. Let's see what our trainer will answer for those questions.
We always keep the pool clean, and every week we clean at least 3 times, so to make sure that the water clarity is there. Why we alternately wash the pool, but it's not every day? Because the pool itself will contain the germs, and the germs take times to sink down and bottom of the pool, and then only you can clean it. So 3 times a week is more than enough for us to clean the pool. The world teacher, they have to go through 3 teacher pathway. Number 1, they have to go through the life-saving course to become a lifesaver or a lifeguard. The second stage, they need to go for the theory and practical section as a trainee to practice in the pool, to make sure that they understand all the theory section, how people can swim, how people learn to swim, and then in the practical section, they have to understand the mechanism of how people swim. So the third stage, they will go in for the practical and attachment section, which is they need to learn how to teach the student in practically, and also they learn how to manage the class when there is a risk in the class or there is a situation in the class. They know how to control the class. They learn how to swim. It usually takes 10 to 12 lessons to pick up one skill. For example, freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, or butterfly. It's also subject to talents of the kid. Some kids, they are talented, then they pick up the skill fast. Some kids are not. So as a result, we have to subject to the kids' talent and also how many sections they practice. If let's say that every time after the class, they stay back and practice at least 1 week once for their practice section, it is very obvious to see their progression. In a group class, it's already preset, which is we will learn from one stroke to another stroke. So if you go for group class, there will be no skip of learning stroke in the class. But if you go for one-to-one section, which is individual class, you can choose what program you want to go for. There is the test, we so-called UK swimming test, in every 3 to 6 months. So the student, they can enroll themselves for the swimming test to get their certificate. It is optional for you to choose whether you want to go for the test or not. That is my video today. Hope my video can inspire you in your life. Remember to share, like, and subscribe our channel. I see you next video. Bye bye.